Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to mention that the second version of my website is up. I'll be sure to put a link to that in the description. There's a lot of other cool stuff on the site that doesn't really have to do with cooking, so if you're interested in learning about any of the other areas of my life and kind of what I'm doing outside of cooking, be sure to go take a look at the website. For today's video, I just made a simple chicken sandwich. I had some leftovers from this weekend, so I had some chicken thighs, seasoned those with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some paprika. Now that we have the oil on our cast iron, let's put the chicken thighs down on the pan and we'll throw some compound butter in another pan to get going on toasting our bread. As you can see, the chicken looks great. There really wasn't a lot to record with this process. It was really just cooking the chicken and toasting the bread. Now we're gonna put the sandwich together. So I just have a piece of the Texas toast, gonna throw the chicken thigh on top of that, and then spread some of our leftover cane sauce on top of the other piece of bread and put it all together. So the sandwich turned out great. There really wasn't a lot to it, so it was kind of hard to mess up. But yeah, just in terms of having some leftovers and using what you have in your fridge, this was definitely a good call. I did also want to mention that we will be doing another kind of subscriber picked meal this week. So drop a comment on this video of what you want to see me make and I'll randomly pick one, and that video will come out either Saturday or Sunday.